interesting question today. The question is, the measure of supplementary angle of A is 40 degrees larger than twice the measure of complement of angle A. What is the sum in degrees of the measure of supplement and complement angle of A? I like this question because this question is little bit confusing. Before jumping into the solution, let me give you brief about two concepts. Those are supplementary angles and complementary angles. Supplementary angles means if two angles sum up to give 180 degrees, then those angles are called supplementary angles. For example, 80 degrees and 100 degrees are called supplementary angles because their sum is 180 degrees. For example, if someone asks what is the supplement angle for 100 degrees, means sum it up to 180 degrees. So the supplementary angle of 100 degrees is 80 degrees. So now coming back to the complement angles. Complementary angles means if two angles sum up and gives 90 degrees, then those angles are called complementary angles. For example, 50 degrees and 40 degrees because their sum is giving 90 degrees. Someone asks what is the complementary angle of 30 degrees. So the complementary angle of 30 degrees is 90 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is 60 degrees. Complementary angle of 30 degrees is 60 degrees. I'm thinking you guys understand what is supplementary and complementary angles. Let's dive into the question. I'm dividing the question into two parts for having the good understanding. I divide the question into two parts, the green part and the yellow part. Let's solve the green part first. I'm writing an equation with the help of green part. It means 180 minus A is equals to 40 degrees larger than twice the measure of complementary angle of A. Complementary angle of A means 90 minus A. They said twice, so I am adding twice, and they also said 40 degrees larger, so I am adding 40. Now if we simplify this equation, 180 minus A is equals to, I am solving it, 180 minus 2A plus 40. Now 180 is common on both sides, so I am subtracting it and I am bringing minus 2A to the left side. It will become positive. So 2A minus A is equals to 40 degrees. So angle of A is equals to 40 degrees. We came to know what's the angle A. Now let's solve the second part of the question, which is shaded in the yellow color. What is the sum in degrees of measure of supplement and complement angle of A? Supplement angle of A means 180 minus 40, which is equals to 140 degrees. Now complement angle of A, which is 90 minus 40, which is equals to 50 degrees. And now they are asking sum of both of them. So sum of supplement angle of A plus complement angle of A is equals to 140 plus 50, which is equals to 190 degrees. If you like this question, please like, share and subscribe.